Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a tarpaulin layout in Canva. So first head over to canva.com and in the search bar, start searching for tarpaulin. Then just press enter. So here in Canva, there are actually lots of pre-made templates and designs that you can choose from. So you don't have to start from the scratch. For example, we're going to pick this design. So just click on it, then customize the template. Now since this is already pre-made and elements has already been added, all you have to do is add few touches and modifications that will suit your preference. You can start changing the background by clicking on it. Click on the background color icon and change it to your desired background color. You can also change elements by clicking on elements in the left panel. Type in keywords that is related on your tarpaulin design. So say for example, we're going to search for garbage bin. So as you can see, there are lots of available designs and graphics that you can add. So say for example, we're going to add this one. So just drag this and drop to your canvas and replace the existing graphic. Just delete it and replace it with this one. You can also change text by double clicking and typing new text. Then once done, head over and download your file. Just click on the file icon, then click on download. Choose your desired file type, then finish by downloading your file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!